Okay, in this tutorial we're going to look at using Adobe Acrobat to create a PDF file, but not just a PDF file from one source, say a Word document, but a PDF file where you've got to combine maybe a PDF, a Word document and some JPEGs. So I'm going to show you how to do all that. So if we go to Adobe Acrobat, Acrobat Pro DC, create PDF or combine files. Either will work. We'll go to create PDF. Now, there we go. Look what we can create a PDF from. Lots of options. I'm going to go to multiple files and I'm going to combine files. There are options to create multiple PDF files or create a PDF portfolio. I'm not going to worry about that. I'm just going to worry about combine files. And I go to next and get to this screen here. I'm just going to close this screen for a second. I can go straight to that screen from there, combine files. Now, I've got my files here already on the desktop in a folder, ready to roll in fact, and they are, there's a PDF there, 2 JPEGs, another PDF, and 2 different Word documents. So I'm going to select them all, and I'm going to drag them onto my desktop, or onto the onto the PDF program, onto it there. And we'll see it's working, setting them all up. You may get asked for Acrobat to control Word and allow it to do that because it makes the PDF better. Okay, so there's my files. Now they're not in the order I want them in. So I can just take this one and move it back one. Okay, cameraless photography information, that's what I want there. I want how to make a photogram over here, and I want the 2 samples here, and this chemical dilutions I want at the end. So there we go, that's the order I want them in. I've got different options there I can use. File size is important, depends on the quality and where you've got to send it. It will default to the middle size, but you may need to try that and look at that a couple of times, depending on the size of the document you're making. And I'm going to hit combine. And here it comes, all the ticks, it's great. So there is my binder 2 it's called in this case, cover cameraless photography. There's the text, which is just pinched off a web page, so it's not very well laid out. It's a page out of a textbook that goes there, and 2 examples of photographs. Now I could have actually labelled what they were and so on to make it better, and of course the chemical dilutions. So, you know, you can go as detailed and or as loose as you want with doing it. A good way to combine all these documents together rather than having all these things uploaded separately in the Google Classroom. Here's one document, it's all together, and you could, if you wanted to, put these JPEGs into a Word document and have notes on them, etc., etc. But that's how you can create a PDF. And of course we go File, we'd go Save As, or Save, and I always do Save As, doesn't matter of course. Tell it where we want to put it, desktop, whatever, save in recent photograph. Wherever you need to save it, choose a different folder, and whatever. I won't go through all that because it's just a sample, and normal stuff, just hit save and done. So that's quickly how you can make a PDF. Particularly useful if you're doing work samples and you've got photographs of a heap of work. You've photographed a process diary or whatever and you want to put it together, you can just drag all the JPEG files into Acrobat and export them as a PDF booklet rather than a series of 10 or 12 JPEG files. So hopefully that will get you started on creating a PDF file.